Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Shopify with Xero. For this particular task, I've decided to use Zapier. So I strongly recommend you create an account here or just log in into your account. It's free, so don't worry, and it's also pretty quick, so you don't need that much of a time. So once you're logged in, let's focus on top left corner, where is this create zap option. On the same top left, we can name our integration. I'm gonna name it Shopify to Xero. So in the future, if you decided to reuse it or repurpose it, you easily can just write down this name, and you'll get back to it. So the trigger will be Shopify. I'm gonna click on Shopify. Let's check the event that we need to, and I'm gonna go with the new customer, but it's completely up to you. We hit continue, and now you have to log in into your account. As you can see, my account expired, so all you have to do is just add your account name in here, and then continue and log in as customary. Then it will test the trigger between Shopify and Zapier itself, so you know that Zapier is getting all the right information. On the other hand, the action starts with Xero. We go with Xero, also it's in the premium bracket. So the new customer in Shopify will create, for example, purchase order in Xero. We hit continue. Also, we have to choose an account. It's yet again expired, but all you have to do is add email address and password, and you are good to go. And basically, in the end of the integration process, it's completely hassle-free, and you can create those integration under 5 minutes. And even those 5 minutes, if you invest into it, it's only because you have to log in with your accounts. This account and Xero I haven't used in almost 1 year since I've created this video before, but also I'm creating this one just because of the Zapier got a facelift. So you can see you have this bar here that will exactly tell you what went wrong, and so on. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.